What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to fix the common problem of when your YouTube shorts or when your YouTube watch hours don't add up. So first you want to go to YouTube Studio and then click on the first link here. And that should take you over to your channel dashboard. So on the side you want to go down to the tab that says Earn. And then when you scroll down you'll see all of your eligibility for earning money from YouTube. So I've got enough subscribers and enough videos, but here's my public watch hours, and in reality I don't have 20, I have 330, but they just don't add up onto YouTube. So what you want to do is go to the send feedback icon, click on that, and then this little side tab will pop up. So click on capture screenshot and press allow. This is just so you can show the company what exactly is wrong. So highlight here and then highlight the watch hours bit so they know what to look at, and press done. Then you can type whatever your feedback is. So I'm just going to put YouTube watch hours don't add up properly. So basically that's all you have to do. You just have to put the screenshot in, write your feedback, make sure you've got this ticked so you get an email if they're telling you that they fixed it or they're going to fix it, and then press send. So within a few days this should have worked and your watch hours should have updated to the accurate result. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.